This is Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas, and I can't wait to show you all around this ship, inside and out.
If a cruise ship could be a wonder of the world, Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas would be on the list. This friendly sea giant is the world's largest cruise ship. She carries 6,900 passengers, 2,300 crew, and is longer than 3 football fields. However, the Wonder offers unique differences that make her even more vivacious than her Oasis-class sisters Symphony, Harmony, Allure, and Oasis. The main pool area has been redesigned with a strong Caribbean vibe. It features high-speed water slides, a kids' aqua park, Splashaway Bay, casitas, in-pool loungers, live music, the very popular lime and coconut bar, and the largest TV screen of all Royal ships and more. Since the pool area can be crowded and loud, a lot of people go to Central Park where it's quiet and breezy and you can be surrounded by many trees and plants. It's also where a lot of the specialty restaurants are located, and a few free ones as well. At the aft of the ship, there's lots of fun things to do, such as this mini golf. The Ultimate Abyss is a 9-story dry slide, as well as the Flow Rider has simulated surfing. In the private access Suite Neighbourhood, there's this private sun deck that looks over the aft at all of the things to see and do. The solarium is for adults only, 16 plus. It has a shallow pool, hot tubs, restaurant, and bar. It's also air conditioned. Here's a closer look at Central Park. There are bars and restaurants down here and plenty of places to sit and enjoy a drink. Here's the Royal Promenade, and yes, that's a Ford Mustang down there. This is where there are bars and shops and a few restaurants. Let's take a look at some of the restaurants. This is the Windjammer Cafe, which is the buffet, and there are seats for over 1,000 people. Here's the main dining room, which has 3 levels. The Mason Jar is the newest restaurant on board, and it offers Southern comfort favorites. There's a bar, and also country music bands play here. Giovanni's is a well-known restaurant on Oasis-class ships, and this Italian restaurant is a fan favorite. Here's the Solarium Bistro at the Solarium Pool area, which is for adults only. Hooked Restaurant is a specialty restaurant that serves fish and seafood. Chops Grill is also a specialty restaurant steakhouse. If you plan on dining in more than 3 specialty restaurants, look into the unlimited dining package. You'll find Asian cuisine at Izumi. 150 Central Park is a premium dining experience that offers 6 to 8 course meals. Johnny's Diner is a 1950s diner that serves hamburgers, hot dogs, milkshakes, and more. Central Cafe offers soups and salads, and Sorrento's offers pizza, and these are free restaurants. Take you through the bars next. This is the music hall, which features rock and roll bands and other artists. And from here you can look down over the boardwalk. I'll take you down there next. Playmakers is a popular sports bar. Boleros has a Spanish theme and is a great place if you like to dance. And if you like to be the entertainment, you can always go to the karaoke bar. The private Suites Neighbourhood has its own bar and coastal kitchen restaurant. Schooner's Bar has a traditional nautical theme and great views of the Royal Promenade. There's also a casino with a private poker room. Here's a sampling of some of the food we enjoyed. After dinner, go to one of the shows. There are plenty of fun places for children, such as this Social 100 Teens Club. There's a spa and fitness area as well. And now I'd like to show you the cabins. This is a Suite Neighbourhood balcony cabin that's about 340 square feet. And by comparison, here's a regular balcony cabin. I'd like to point out that the desk can pull away from the wall and be used as a separate table. Thank you so much for watching this quick video on Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel.